Hey everyone, are you trying to decide between Helium 10 starter and Platinum plans? I will break down the key differences to help you choose the one that's right for you. First of all, let's start with the starter plan. At $29 a month, this plan is perfect for beginners or those just getting started with Amazon FBA. You will get access to basic tools like X-ray, which help you analyze product data. The starter plan limits you to 20 uses per month for most tools. It's ideal if you want to validate product ideas, check basic sales trends, or conduct small scale keyword research. However, if you are aiming for long term scaling, you might find the usage limit restrictive. Now, let's look at the Platinum plan. At $99 a month, it's more comprehensive and offers much greater flexibility. You get unlimited access to most of the tools like X-ray. The Platinum plan includes advanced features like the Helium 10 Profit Dashboard, which lets you monitor your finances and keyword tracker to help you stay on top of your product's rankings. This plan is ideal for sellers who are ready to scale their business and need more frequent access to data for decision making. You will also have access to up to 50,000 keyword tracking entries per month, which is a major plus for those managing multiple products. That warps up this combination of Helium 10's starter and platinum plans. Which plan do you think is right for you? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more Amazon FBA tips.